Okay, let's begin. So, if you have some work, okay, which you have not finished, or some quiz which are past due, then ask me, email me. I can extend the deadline for you. Okay, I try to give you as much opportunities as possible to help you to catch up with the class. Okay, don't be left behind. And also, I gave you 2 opportunities for the test, right? And this can help a lot for improve your grade. So sometimes I told students, I say, now you understand why we call America the land of opportunities. Okay, now let's get back to the section 4. And we talk about the double angle and half angle identities. So let's begin with one equation. Sine of 2x equal to 2 times sine x. Do you think this equation is an identity? It would be nice if we can factor out this 2, right? And just move this 2 outside the sine function, then we get a 2 times sine x. And let's see, okay, let's look at the one value of x to see if this can hold for any value, okay, any real number of x. So let's just take the x to be pi over 4. Right? Then the right side, sine of 2x is equal to sine of the 2 pi over 4. And this is equal to sine half pi, and which is equal to 1. Now let's look at the right side. 2 times sine of the pi over 4, and we know sine of the pi over 4 is equal to root of 2 over 2, right? So this is equal to 2 times root of 2 over 2, and which is equal to root of 2. So definitely root of 2 is not equal to 1. So that means this equation is not an identity, right? So then what is the right formula for the sine of 2x? So which is the right identity? And last time we learned the sign of a sum, right? And the sign of a difference. So now let's begin with the sign of a sum, and then we can use it to derive this, okay, identity for the sine of 2x. So we have the sine of x plus y equal to what? Tell me, what is the formula for the sine of x plus y? Sine x, right? And times cosine y, and then plus or minus, plus, then cosine x, right? And then sine y. Okay, good. So this is the identity for the sign of a sum. And we may net the x equal to y. So net x equal to y. Then we have the sign of x plus y equal to sign of x plus x, right? We just replace y by x. And then we get the sine x times cosine x and plus cosine x times sine x. So this is just 2 times sine x times cosine x, right? So this is equal to 2 times sine x times cosine x. Okay, so now we got identity for the double angle, okay, for the sine. So this is the sine of 2x equal to 2 times sine x times cosine x. Okay, this is double angle identity for sine. And similarly, we can find the double angle identity for cosine. So let's begin with the cosine of a sum identity. So we have the cosine of x plus y. Tell me, equal to what? Cosine x times cosine y, right? And then plus or minus? Minus. And then sine x, sine y, right? Okay, so this is the cosine of a sum identity. Then we let y equal to x. Okay, we replace the y by x. Then we get the cosine of x plus x equal to cosine of 2x. And then we got, okay, cosine, okay, this is a cosine x times cosine x. So that is a cosine square x, right? And this is the sine x times sine x. So you have the sine square x. And then from this identity, we can get a few forms of the double angle identity for cosine. And let's move to the next page.